Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important message on LinkedIn, enabling messaging notifications on your PC is a must. With LinkedIn's latest update, the process is straightforward and only takes a minute. Here's how you can turn on messaging notifications and stay connected with your professional network. First, open LinkedIn in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture labeled as Me. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage everything related to your LinkedIn experience. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from LinkedIn, including messages, invites, and updates. Now scroll through the notification categories until you see Messaging. Click on it to open the messaging notification settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Allow Messaging Notifications. To start receiving notifications for new messages, simply switch this toggle to On. This ensures that every time you get a new message on LinkedIn, you'll receive a notification on your PC. That's all it takes. With these settings enabled, you'll be instantly notified whenever someone reaches out to you, helping you respond quickly to new opportunities and conversations. If you ever want to customize further, LinkedIn also allows you to fine-tune which types of notifications you receive, so you're only alerted about what matters most to you. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to stay on top of your LinkedIn messages. Never miss an important connection or opportunity again.